MYCPE ONE launching most affordable CPA guidance program where students will be eligible to get a global level education and a mentorship with a clear path at all of this with an price that they can actually afford.
Hi everyone, I'm Nitisha from MYCPE ONE Academy, and today marks the beginning of a very special bite series videos of CPA launch, where we bring you real stories, honest reflections, and expert perspective around our CPA initiative. We have recently launched the world's most affordable CPA classes, and we believe it's going to reshape how professionals approach their CPA journey, making it smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever. Joining me today is Jinesh Sangvi, a newly minted CPA who has walked this journey, faced the challenges, and come out stronger. And now he's here to share what it really means to become a CPA and how my CPA One Academy is making that reachable for thousands. Hi, Jinesh. How are you?
Hi, Nitisha. I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Jinesh, looking back at your journey, what do you think stops many deserving professionals from pursuing the CPA dream? And now that my CP One Academy has launched the most affordable and guided CPA program, what would you say to someone who's standing at the edge, thinking, can I really do this?
I think my advice would be, CPA, traditionally speaking, CPA felt out of reach for, many Indian professionals because number of reasons, like cost is high, process is
Mm.
confusing since you are pursuing international degree, and but I think with time things are changing. Today there is a huge global demand for CPAs from US companies and big four firms, and even the focus for Indian students is shifting. They are choosing CPA degree, which has a more recognized, which is more recognized worldwide over traditional degrees like chartered accountancy, because it
Right.
offers you more flexibility and I think there is, you can say better returns on investment kind of a thing. And it's also more doable. The CPA is more practical over as compared to the other Indian degrees that you pursue. And even US has changed the credit requirements and have lowered it, so it has made easy for students to pursue and to get the licenses in today's time. And with my CPA One launching the most affordable CPA guidance program where students will be eligible to get a global level education and a mentorship with a clear path at all of this with an price that they can actually afford. So my answer would be yes. I think it's easy to pursue CPA and for now because the opportunity is there, support is there, and with my CPA One program, I think the path is actually affordable.
Absolutely, Janesh. Like that was really inspiring. And the CPA goal is within reach for anyone now, I believe. Because at
Yes.
my CPA One Academy, we are not just offering CPA classes, we are building a path that's more affordable, accessible, and empowering for every accounting professional out there. So, to all my audience, if you are still wondering whether CPA is possible for you, let this be your sign. Stay tuned for more stories and let's shape the future of accounting. Thank you.